Abusuafo mo bi akoba e dey by Grace TV so yiri se twedi ampo nyankro pa do bi an ho ye abusua mesero se obeka ho a se de bia ye da no like no comment na wa share ama foforo nso enye bi ahwe menim se obe ntinya mi sure na onye oso akoma so de for menim se sa abudi na ya ten sem we na mfa mem ya ni na ne se ye maame Akosua Serwaa fosu yes that Lumba here sa Abraham no ka se de wa twen enu aba moda edna kwa akogina court Kumasi High Court a ni na ye nsem ahodo akoso obeka ya before se ya maame Akosua Serwaa de mother ekugina court enra day or cause saman no court no na maame Akosua Serwaa de kan de krata bi aba abonten ye o de krata no ba na o de afutuo ma ye nua ba e friend se mother ene nipa hodo aka te se wono a omo so ye omo kan nsem a enim edigu no ho edigu no ho fi misremika omo kan nsem e ha adwen na ti akoma de fa no ensem no bebre nya afi na mebeka some of the videos o chance on it kwa na we di yaw enu se e course o ma ekodu ba bibra e beto odwa se ya hya se echi maame Akosua Serwaa chitafo bi a omo kasa de maye maame na ebi omo akasa ma tia sister Odobroni Roman father ne woni aka e se echi omo no amafo sha se call se ene sa tia de na ye maame Akosua Serwaa so on sha se na won chichichi omo ye kasa de tia no bi e ma be ka sa be to ya so na se ma benyame na di mo a ye ni aba mo da nim de ba ye otisi mo so sha se ne nsem a ebu otwi ko breman o ka edigu ye maame ho fi no ena sabi am no kasa de ye maame Akosua Serwaa edi enu abai akugina eve Kumasi High Court said the city na enu abai di ankasa na Libya force ya owa awoma so Kumasi awoma so high tension Kumasi we krata no ansa man krata no sanete ya edna kugina court na onim in san ansem ya maame Akosua Serwaa gina so no the sister mo da kugina court pese hwe ne ma ba ku mienu bi e won nsem na yete ase because abre de rate of summons no so wakosa man court wa e bi obe 7 no now so course more than so course so appearance e court within 8 days said there be a Ghana University but within that 8 days so more than anko so appearance is on a defendant plenty for maame Akosua Serwaa na kugina court no ti all you defendants and you say court say the maame Akosua Serwaa dey abo so why you say defendant also want you say so we say ethnicity now so no you be a obi aja kwakodan court and sana court afra 7 no be pem na obi aboni ko na lawyer for running for bijana kem na o ma transem so na bibia ya so na onim in this letter ya American one semi maame Akosua Serwaa ka che ye sister Miss Lydia Benson ya do friend mother say wa kan sem bebre de go no fi na so wa kan sem bebre de go no fi nti and ye maame Akosua Serwaa pese court ye ma bi ni say maame Akosua Serwaa say yes sister mother I can send be on the 3rd of August. There's a busby way when chayo. 4th of August, and so my sister mother I can send be the final. 6th of August or can send be the final. And on 9th of August and so or can send be a final. Now, sans more kind no, watching them walk court, watching them one cat or the court to say. And someone is a mother can found, and you know, a force and tissa. Afe, a sansocra, a good or no, your mamma Akosua Serwaa fee. Tianam said tissa anti. And kama maame Akosua Serwaa said ne claims no the maame Akosua Serwaa claiming a free defendant one plaintiff claims against the defendant as follows say can you can crown mother emra now o make a declaration say sansemo or can here on the 3rd of August 4th of August 5th of August so 3rd of August 4th of August 6th of August and 9th of August next now do 9 there be any moon some more can sansemo na wasi e be church of their chairman say omra no mechim se sansemo kan no entisa na enya nokre afei esanso eye nguase as wo di guya maame Akosua Serwaa ampa afo bracket ehun fi afei maame Akosua Serwaa de ba ko se hwede free court won se court on fa perpetual injunction and two mother so on say your injunction ya na interlocutory injunction and I say interim injunction and yes I want perpetual injunction there on say I can say in perpetuity let's say afebo kopim say we ase be wi no untimi nye nti be kai a ebra na to back e de ye maame Akosua Serwaa na ye maame Akosua Serwaa of fire poku and afi papa she kwizina court e wo the Accra High Court with respect to that Lumba celebration of life no now say court enfa interim injunction and I say interlocutory injunction to almost kopim say be di asem na wi afi court di asem wi a onfa perpetual injunction na se court hwe say kopim say wi ase be say no ye maame Akosua Serwaa na maame Brempamani of fire poku and papa she omontimi celebration of life enfa that Lumba in this case so ye maame Akosua Serwaa ese osre court say ka court enfa tabonto defendant anyone on you by a friend say Lydia Benson to don't friend say mother your TikTok say no more than emu say obi a on any oka no ho a on ne keka ne nsem say obi a on more than ya adwe anti abere bi ebi omutu anamo bi o afei say obi a oka mother ho so mother na say oye mother say ne TikTok oye obi na ya nipa ne hye na se a o take instructions from mother obi biara ya represent mother no court nhwe so mfata wo ento no so say Emma efiri sa break we and some do a mother akade ato TikTok no so ntenta afiri no so Emma obi biara enko nkotu sa na mo no biem obi biara enko kasa ansem na biem say or publish the same statement mother crack assembly on the 3rd of August if I am Akosua Serwaa mother crack assembly on the 4th of August if I am Akosua Serwaa court of so be share sa following na mother obi biara say imperial vloggers ni ade bloggers obi a enko sa some mother can or publish sa asem no so publish on YouTube social media be bia court on share so mo enko koye onfata want to say mo bia nkotu sa na mo afei enye no nko a court enhwe say emo obi ansa nko say bia obesa kosisi nsem no so biem bi na okoyi nsem no bi na the program mo ga kra kan say na okobo da bi so ba ka bra so no kra buy no because no mintimi mo san nsem no platform so da bi any kwan say basa yemfa ni di ni bu penny not ye mama Akosua Serwaa nko likewise sabi obi okasete is Odobroni and I say na kofu to park na kwabna fu di asempa of yapokuni na we don't support it so obi abidi dance on our platform yen support is obi kasete obi debi enti court nche na ma obi antu anamo enko publish the same document as the same recordings na the voices any publication bia e mo obi ansa antu aso na onko fa and some mother can be not the program how mother can say but as you obey say there be ni kwan say e pasa after no ko twam a court grandson she say e ma obi an circulate on the social media say obi bi aba na obi so so si atam o ya man yonko na obrani atam ya man yonko ya na ha adwen just o dwen wa won ti ase enti ya mama Akosua say what say court grandson she say e ma obi biara so so or ko circulate and I say ade no kra mother say mother kan no any mama fan sendo obi yozo mama fan sendo na etie mother kan say mo oka there be court so say mo bi an ko publish sansensem no and some what say egu ya mama Akosua Serwaa mpafo bracket hu fi no Akosua Serwaa fosu Akosua Serwaa mpafo bracket fosu hu fi no e mo bi a enko na the nsem bi na mother kan yentimi mo so but then yentimi nko bo audio there be but mama Akosua Serwaa chim the endorsement of claims they already free court one they can say mother akai snippy say ya mama Akosua Serwaa any marriage certificate na say because adia ya mama Akosua Serwaa under Lumba omuni awale enkrate bia but let's not forget say a brand somewhere shares and somewhere August there was a letter from the German embassy or Ghana or say to the best of their knowledge there exists a valid German marriage between Mama Akosua, a valid German civil marriage or ordinance marriage between Mama Akosua Serwaa and Dad Lumba. What the end of December 2004, it was celebrated in December 2004. I was born here, Germany, Abridgment. What the end of crown person. Now, I was for you, no more. But mother, I can't SNP say, Mama Akosua Serwaa, what the end which isn't the case. Mama Akosua Serwaa say, mother cross her case SNP say, that Lumba. Eja ya mama Akosua Serwaa wa case nipi se Lumba eja ya mama Akosua Serwaa Akosua Serwaa chese debi enti sa de biara enti ni kwan se obi kwa so nsem bi etisa so afenye no kwa mother cross high kind se ya mama Akosua Serwaa enye wono ene ye Lumba ira sebi emra gine tum se Lumba ire ya woja no wachi surviving spouse a lawful wife o se debi enye mama Akosua Serwaa but even asem kwa mother kai hwe bibi wa se say if you are going by the ruling of the Kumasi High Court, in the ruling of the court, for Yemame, her leadership justice during that Smithata can say, Yemame Akosua Serwaa is a wife, a customary wife, in the year 1991, Kumasi Bomso. Yes, it's Odobroni, so according to court, it's Odobroni, so a wife, or customary wife, on the 10th of April 2010, the final submission of Cesadia. The two people, are the two surviving spouses of the late Dad Lumba. And if that is the case, or catch up with your parents, or organize it, so simple. Me catch a say simple course really no crown more than so they can answer more. and yeah, now she was wrong to say yeah, Mami Akosua Serwaa and a lawful wife of the late Lumba, because the court has recognized as it stands now. I know it's an appeal nam kwem, and even though only court by the court we all have our views. But the court we are binded by the ruling of the court. Copy him saying now appeal because now I'm a Timuna High Court ruling a setting aside. Now I mean appeals court now because the appellate court a ruling for Abba a fan seminar. And they say no crown or just the account somewhere. Wontumi go say Mami Akosua Serwaa a lawful wife because the court, which is a legal institution, has recognized Mami Akosua Serwaa as well as Odobroni. So you don't choose one, baby, and tisa. After Mami Akosua Serwaa say the plaintiff is 778. I say we paying for man. I hear me do some cover. Mr. As 70 be a mother sa kind say Sabio, Mr. Paying for one of my bro. Osaka can say, yeah, Mami Akosua Serwaa. Are they or a prostitute? Miss no fan but me can say the word with them and I say be a sexually or immoral. Me person me country. But in some way now in some more than a kai. And the fire yeah, Mami Akosua Serwaa. Like come on, I say we might all have our preference in this issue, and it is not wrong. Make us a preference, yes, we might all have our views. I won't same way, and it's said there you may be safer, which is perfectly right. Ghana may be entiasa, but come on, as in same be oh, can you show your car? A crack or tissue, and a crack be a channel, oh, catching a hard drink. Na ye maame panyin what say very sad, but me now ka de che maame Akosua Serwaa afi mother kwasa chim say ye maame Akosua Serwaa wa kwakwan bi so na wade enkrata wade aba court no as akoye bibio ho wa misrepresent no nye no kware mu and wade awade enkrata abedi adanse. The plaintiff has dishonestly misrepresented her marital status or words substantially to the same effect. Say asem amada kai na kokobi say maame Akosua Serwaa kwan wa sheda no tu futu Ghana fo ni say oyere ya aware no oyere amraji ni tum anase bia under Lumba kra da so awade ase e wa brentisa na say mother person say maame Akosua Serwaa enka no kra bi nche ne tita fo ni Ghana fo na nina ayen semwa maame Akosua Serwaa chim say sansem we na mother boss no court nhwe na on kan che mother enye mother kwa na tita fo omo ne omo ye adwuma omo etam de na chi ne kan nsem ne ade na say kopim say wi ase be say ma mother ku gina be bia nka sansem ne bi nsem no bi ensem wo kan ne bi nsem na anya no kore egu ne ho fin ya ha adwen pa afa ye maame Akosua Serwaa ampafo bakatu che say ampafo bakatu fo say o say court say court enhye mother na sansem wo kan nyina no on retracted or on train sign na won sanso mfa chelpa emda ye maame Akosua Serwaa na afenya no kwa ebra moda etwe sansem wa kaja fa ye maame Akosua Serwaa once assign nyina awie no o twe sansem na asem besens numi ebi kura kanwe bia nyina amakratem but o twe sansem we nyina assign awie no obi a enso a o twe nsem we nyina awie a na wato ne bo ase kakran na wasan so aba e dia chopa piece ye pa ma ye maame Akosua Serwaa o ya chopa emu oduru a chopa sabi obia betimi a chopa sabi a video ye keka nsem no akọ viral baby an obi an obi na bi kra fa di kan nsem di maame ho fa kan nsem ni bi fa maame ho won re say nsem o be kan so no ye ya chopa no o twa san o pa cho no so ezu be du wiase baby a na enya attention a nsem o kan enyaye ahun say ya na mpany for kwa kasi baby e be se wa kodu no baby you wan kodu enyi but we die maame Akosua Serwaa say court nhye moda say be ya sign obe sign ho no obesin amana kodu baby a e wo se duru bia na boa ama asundwe aba tene ye nsem no bia o de akoda court said dia esi ete afenya no kwa ebra o sign maame Akosua Serwaa ti no on sign TikTok account o tena so kan nsem no on to aso nka enko kan no nko sign ti afi social media platforms a wodo ni na ya mother e kan nsem we wo honom and social media pages ya omo publish nsem we nyina say oh mother kwa be ka say ni ade o say omo nyina ebe twe nsem na sign and so be mo nyina sa ka bi so omo na kan wa pa che wa twe sign na edu wiase ba bia say the court no hwe ne mre no nhye mu a ebe boa nyina no na wa ni sa nti no so ye baako afi maame Akosua Serwaa say o san so court na asem ho say ensem mother kan wa gu ne ho fin dodo and we all agree say we're going to have doctor And then some other good who faint, or stress general damages for defamation, including aggravated damages for the injury caused to the plaintiff's reputation, dignity, and standing, and for the distress, humiliation, and embarrassment occasioned by the defendant's publications, including damages assessed in the sum of 1 million Ghana cedis or such amount as this honorable court considers just. In the end, I'm saying some torso and some of blood draining so. And some no kyɛ sɛ ɔtwe ho a ɔnte ase ɛmu ɔyɛ ebi ti akoma papa yeah on a normal day no anka ɛni kwan sɛ basa nti no sɛ wagu ne ho fi na ɔde ɔhaw ne amane abrɛ no wama kyɛ sɛ sɛbio maame kura n'anim ɔbɔ n'anim agu ase ɛwɔ Ghanafoɔ bi anim ɔde wɔnim asɛm no bɛfa ne sɛ saa nso abɛn nte saa yɛ wama n'anim agu ase ɔde anim agu ase abrɛ no na wama kyɛ sɛ wafɛre ɛwɔ nipa anim ne adeɛ nti kɔɔto hwɛ sɛ mother publication ne adeɛ wa nyinaa ɔmo ne ka bɛyɛ sɛ Ghana cedi no million baako na sɛ ɛne kane sika no kofoɔ ne Rollins mo time ya meto Rollins ba kofoɔ mo time no before sɛ bɛsɛ sika no na 10 billion sika dada no anaasɛ sika bi a court ne hwɛ a ɛbɛyɛ okay court na nyansa ne nim die mu sika a ɛbɛyɛ okay no ɔnhwɛ na ɔmfa ntomo da tiri so afei nya no nko a any other relief or other that the honorable court considers just and appropriate in the circumstance nti no sɛ nyinaa kɔ wie a court na hwɛ na nsɛm bi wɔ hɔ hu sɛ okay ɛne asɛm wei a mɔda aka ne adeɛ nti no mɔda ɛsaa de wei ka ho yɛsɛ de bɛyɛ maame Akosua Serwaa ho bi sign na nte asɛm bɛ nti no kɔtoa na mo wei kɔyɛ wei yɛsɛ a na aboa ama pipi atumi ayɛ asomdwe na aboa ama pipi ayɛ bɔkɔ nti abusua wei nyinaa yɛ nsɛm a maame Akosua Serwaa de akɔda akɔ na ɔhwɛ de free court afei baako ɛka ho bi ɛyɛ cost including legal fees na so kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ court hwɛ sɛ mɔda ɛna ne nyinaa ɛbɛsi ne nan so ɛsiane sɛ waka nsɛm a ɛnsɛ sɛ wɔka yɛ ha atwen paa nti ɛno rada ɛna yɛ maame Akosua Serwaa twe ne lawyers ɛkɔ faale nsɛm yi ɛwɔ Kumasi High Court ɛno rada wiana mu hɔ pɛpi nti ɛno nso kakra yɛde ɛtom na wonim also maame Akosua Serwaa ka sɛ mother ka sɛ bi on the 30th of August okay be on the 4th of August on the 3rd of August okay be 4th August okay be 6th August okay be and after 9th August okay be now 3rd of August at the end seven okay maame Akosua Serwaa chi nam that records 3rd August no mother asem okay say maame no oni Lumba jai oni lum twi asante nipa na me kan twi se musia de timi Odobroni mother asem bi okay 3rd August asem mother kan say maame no 3rd August na edwoada na say edwoada a etwa mu e na awotwe na say edwoada be na awotwe mi na mother kan say maame no oni Lumba jai ye papers na omo antwitwam as say to wait the woman and Lumba had divorced or separated, except that they did not carry through the paperwork. There's a or just my Akosua Serwaa that Lumba China our Accra no court the no mention. I know you're back. 3rd August no more that cast us now. 3rd August no sa cast am for say. Oh boy, onya yire Ghana court baby obeko no. Oh boy, onya yire Ghana court baby obeko no obelusi to wait as in Chimuni say liar, she's not a wife. Every court she goes to in Ghana, she will lose. More than I can answer with you. So, Mammy Akosua Serwaa and na baby Obekobia or Ghana court will be lose. And so can tell of August now. After more than Corona Sakas, it was say only case Lumba Jaino, as she said to wait, she does not have a case. Lumba divorced her, not in 70 bia and as mother edit to ya. So Mammy Akosua Serwaa any case that Lumba Jaino. After no Kodan Chaya, Tiba Kwe or say, and 3rd August now, or say. Hey, I was a home fan champion. Some people are not Accra, Mr. Mamadoroma. I say more. Mamon dare me. I say more. Mamon dare me. And some people have been person maker, but now me person me true say the bear was here. And you're na maker, but I mean, and some more kind. They are not all the subio basic versus your mamma. And that's what kind. A can sim be say ebia na ade amoa mamon de me ya hyawo ni te say maame no a mo som no kwasiafo me ya hyawo ni te say ono apepepe sebia some mother kind no 3rd of August and to wait animals do not dare me. I am a prostitute like the woman you worship. Stop it, people. I'm a prostitute just like her. As my mother kind you. Come on. The mother mpo say maame na na di nechi na e wu ni nechi bi mu a. Maame so yo maame anka opio. Ana yo na bi anka opio. Or the entwaso. Is in our court and cause assembly and Kamukase. Instead of Kamuasem Kase. After it's that 10th of August now, sarcasm, you'll say. May I show you to some mamma no? And Cadientina may best support no. Her. She said all this to wait. I'm a prostitute like that woman. Otherwise, why would I support her? Like in some way now, and some mother. A kind at the chair court. A kind at the chair. Yeah, mammy on the 10th of so. After on the 4th of August and so. Mother corner sound by one thing. A be a video. Yeah, be a video no can. Someone do be brave. Or say, Mano ya. Mano day. Mano went in I did defend the mammy only marriage certificate in po. As some other kind, I said the chair and say, my mouth is fierce and strong. Because of my mouth, we defended a woman who does not even have a marriage certificate. And here, someone mother the 2 on the 4th of August. I feel on the 6th of August and so. What I can say, maybe 6th of August, more than something we are kind of say. I'll say, menim what den kura. Menim what den kura. Menim ya den chain. Menim what den kura. Something people are making say, you know. Menim what den kura. Menim ya den in chain. Akosua Serwaa ne ma nyina asema mother kind to wait if my face is hard it is not harder than the face of Akosua Serwaa and her children or daughters asema mother kind on the 6th of August. Finally on the 9th of August the same way na mama Akosua Serwaa the one dance akodan court and it is in the rate of the summons ntina said the baby I mean the same way na yen some kind and the chairman so you can imagine Tini na mama they can court and someone catch on my court so they be a court being a fair idea of the issue. 9th of August and so I say a chamo 9th of August a chamo na man family sika mamia as Chen said just paid you if you not give me my money and I mean there is a dot so on say or twice so there is a continuation the BBC or baby sika beya just what you want to say I feel say osaka that 9th of August now say Mesan abebo audio a wo maame no e ka se oni papa no jai aware. I don't have to as I'll come and play an audio in which your mother says that she and the man had divorced. To be come man say what the character ba every two for no. Bibi akoso bia no maame the kind of character be boy in your boy koko. Ati na wenti and I'm gonna say because come on. A brand simi sha say kura na ye chairman for me akoso say waka say on the one you be out na sama nyame. Ti bi say say na be ba o de ba be dim komo ye na be ba finally mama ko say so be tu sa na mo e sin so we sabi o mesre me ka tabo aponche nya oje ho so untimi ntia obi aso ahwese obi din sa ye so pam fu ato na be ma bia mama mi na sama nyame o so nsi obi ana ade ntino du ba ko so na tem sa ye den ya mtenche wona fe so e den ya obi a go to science obi on elastic limit where the force no apply limit ntimi hold bi so a bet there will be an extension so enti ya ntiase ya emwa afi asa 9th of August na osa kan sembi o say na dan no a girl no ne ma timunti na nani abre it's because of the housing where the woman lives with the children that she is envious and no say ensema more than eka afi o say mesan abebo onfa misika ambre me I say I will come and play it bring me my money we na yen ensema more than aka edi aguye maame Akosua Serwaa ho fi na kwen say o something so my etimi obi be ka asem de fa ho a say wo mse nim na na fa na trasa tin sem a yenya ba kabu ye maame mfi bebre na nim senya no kro brother o ma fa ama ye nya no bloggers bebre at the programs na there ebo these audios so until I think say ye hwese den sem besi akọ but bebre si o I say no na binom say ade na maame Akosua Serwaa ekosi moda then na maame Akosua Serwaa wagina mu adna sema nyame a ade no nto so sa no kre nim say maame no adna sema nyame abepim ne but I think say do level bia e bi etwa se basa ne ma ni ma bi tutwa so ne ma ni wo dey nsem we sha se pa ye di obi atam ye sister Akosua Serwaa ye maame Akosua Serwaa sister Odobroni ne na go fi Suit+ park gene de di asempa bu se pen di asempa ko ba na ya so gene de ofa ya puku mi adjo mo de but can't we argue without insults? Can't we support whoever want to support without the be di atam na say ye back on I say e ha adwen enti o de yen hwese ne nsem no e besi akọ nyame adoma yin se bibia be ya sodwe na di nsem we besi akọ bia de court beka e be koso bia bra nyame be ya adoma ye betu opo asene de munchu e de asoma man san bi bia ya asomdwe we ye ina anim ana me mpese mo dade na ho nyame na me be kasa but ina ye tia na maame Akosua Serwaa de krata ba ye be e be bo kokwa ye ko be kenkan krata no ase and we all felt say bi anka sa abre no kranti nka bibia to betwa na nka me bibia ejai 9th August ya 9th August ye kan kwasi de ye twam ya yes 9th August kwasi de ye twam ya even after some of the letter by e be two for ye kwa na busia de krata ba be bo mother kokwa Akosua kasa no kwasi de ye twam ya kasa on say ethnicity enye no kwa ya wa de ye twam ya so sa kasa nti ha adwen but anyway I'm say the opposite one be anya me be ya do no na be bia ya so ebusia e de be pema me da se se wo je bre na hwe me de kwabena usu ya kwai kai se ye tonfie e wa atwuma ya be e 4 bedroom house if you know e wo kumase atwuma ya be do ti abeka se bia wo chichi gos we chi wo da bi e wo kumase ya eni kasapen gine adabo krom ya kwame dance we chi wo kumase ya wo do free so for that Prempeh College area ho ko na 10 minutes drive no odru ti me sure wo ni ji ho a fi na etwa bu no fa fi wa number ya ne nkasa na bibi anko ma 4 bedroom house ba ko ye master bedroom and a three na kana a single room self contained fi we to a unu mu de biara da ati di ni fi wa nkasa na bibi anko ye and from abepem ye be hia Accra me di de kwabena usu bye bye ya menka bye bye